Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The pound rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Japan's Honda Motor Company has no plan to hive off its electric motorcycle business and list it on a stock exchange, the Japanese automaker said, following a media report that the idea was under consideration. The European Union will unveil a package of measures aimed at pulling down surging gas and power prices that are stoking record-high inflation, hampering industrial activity and inflicting sky-high bills upon citizens ahead of winter. South Korean prosecutors have issued an arrest warrant for Do Kwon, the co-founder and CEO of Terraform Labs, the firm behind the Terra ecosystem coins Luna and Lunk.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's tertiary industry index will be released at 0430 GMT, Australia's unemployment rate at 0130 GMT, the Dutch unemployment rate at 0430 GMT. The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's labour cost at 0900 hours GMT, the US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.